gagawin? Oh. Oh, binuksan na po yung century. Oh.
Binuksan na po yung century.
Oh.
Ngayon, ito to.
Oh, yan. Sige.
Sabaw.
Tingnan mo, baka tumulo. Kalalapit sa laptop, ha? Oh. Yan ba yung ginawa niyo sa school niyo? Sige, anak mo. Magawa daw ng ano, ng palaman. Sa pita, gagawa kami ng tuna sandwich.
Tatapon naman.
Oo, huwag mo yung tatapon. Kasi kailangan ba ng ano, pangalaw? Ba't di ka kung pangalaw?
Ipang ganun po. Sa sabaw.
Oh, baka masugatan ka, hindi ganyan yan. Ako na.
Sa tayo.
Oh, wait muna, si ate magbubukas. Sige. Kukuha siyang basahan.
Hindi.
Buksan mo yung ano.
Sabaw.
Pwede na yan, anak. Buksan mo yung ano, yung lata. Okay. Wala na bang ano, wala nang mantika? Ah, sige na. Lagay mo na. Oh, baka masugatan ka, hindi dyan ang hawak.
Ate, kuha ka ng ano.
Anong gagawin po, Iza? Sabihin mo kung anong gagawin. Oh. Everything? We're going to use everything? Ha? Lahat yan gagamitin natin? O, sige na, put mo na everything.
Ate, kuha kayong panan sa sabawan. Yung panan sa sabawan.
Oh.
Yan.
Everything. Oh. Oh, then, you're going to mash the tuna. Make durog-durog.
Yeah.
Mash. Oh. And then, ate, oh. Ako na. Oh.
Mali.
Tell me what am I supposed to do?
Chop that tuna.
Chop the tuna. Okay, I'm gonna mash it up. Okay. Then what's the next step? We're going to
The marinade.
going to open.
Put it on the tuna.
Very good. Okay, we're going to cut it now. The scissor.
Ako, gigit ng marinade.
Okay. Not everything, Eliza, is too big. Okay. Oh, tell me, ha? Oh. Press it. Squeeze it.
Who wants to try?
Who wants to try? It's not yet finished. Oh, wait. Stop mo na tayo, ha?
And
Mix it.
then it's na. Yellow at one more mayonnaise.
More mayonnaise.
Yes. Kasi ang nilagay ni Teacher Manny.
Okay, mayonnaise.
Inubos niya yung isang sachet.
Isang sachet. Okay. Let me help you. You the other one.
Hindi pa kasi kailangan
Okay.
para maging masarap, para maging masabaw siya. Yeah. Kasi inubot ni isang sashi.
Yeah.
Tapos sinatid ni teacher.
Nasa ako yun. Yes.
One more. Inubot niya.
Wag na. That's too much na, Eliza. Then, we're gonna open the pizza. Oh, let me open it.
No. I can do it.
Huh?
I can do it.
Oh, you can do it. Okay, open it. Hurry up. They're all the same. Okay, what's that one? Prepared. That's prepared already. You cut it already. Oh. And gonna put some tuna spread on the pita. And then that's the finished product. You're going to eat it. You tell to Mama, this is the finished product, Mama.
This is the finished product, Mama.
Galing. O, kita. Galing. Patingin. Sarap. Yes. Love you. Okay na. Thank you.
It's not tayo, ate.
Good ka na, Dad, Mama.